హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు హనీ ఫ్యాషన్ ట్రెండ్స్. ఈ వీడియో వచ్చేసి దసరా స్పెషల్ కుర్తీస్ కలెక్షన్ గురించి అండి. షాప్ నేమ్ వచ్చేసి మిలాన్ రికబ్గంజ్ హైదరాబాద్లో ఉంది. నేను అంతకుముందు కూడా వీడియోస్ పోస్ట్ చేశాను. చాలా మంచి రెస్పాన్స్ వచ్చింది. వీళ్ళు వచ్చేసి మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరర్స్ అండ్ హోల్సేలర్స్ అండి. వీళ్ళ దగ్గర కుర్తీస్ లెగ్గిన్స్ క్వాలిటీ చాలా బాగుంటాయి. ప్రైస్ కూడా రీజనబుల్ ప్రైస్లో ఉంటాయండి. ఈ షాప్ వచ్చేసి హోల్సేల్ షాప్ అండి. సెకండ్ ఫ్లోర్లో ఉంటుంది. వీళ్ళదే గ్రౌండ్ ఫ్లోర్లో రీటైల్ స్టోర్ కూడా ఉందండి. రీటైల్ స్టోర్కి వెళ్తే రీటైల్లో సింగిల్ పీసెస్ కూడా ఇస్తారండి. హోల్సేల్ షాప్లో ఓన్లీ హోల్సేలే ఇస్తారండి. కంపల్సరీ సెట్ వైజ్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఈ వీడియోలో ప్రైసెస్ వచ్చేసి అన్ని హోల్సేల్ ప్రైసెస్ అండి. రీటైల్ ప్రైసెస్ కొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ ఫెసిలిటీ కూడా ఉందండి. వీడియో కాల్ చేస్తే స్టాక్ చూపిస్తారు, లేదా వాట్సాప్లో అయినా పిక్ సెండ్ చేస్తారండి. ఓన్లీ బల్క్ ఆర్డర్స్ మాత్రమే ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్ చేస్తారండి. దసరా తర్వాత రీటైల్ కూడా కొరియర్ చేస్తారండి. ప్రజెంట్ దసరాకి షాప్లో బిజీగా ఉండడం వల్ల సింగిల్ పీసెస్ కొరియర్ చేయట్లేదండి. రీటైల్ స్టోర్కి వెళ్తే సింగిల్ పీసెస్ తీసుకోవచ్చండి. కొరియర్ అయితే ప్రజెంట్ లేదు. రీటైల్ ప్రైసెస్ అయితే ఈ వీడియోలో ఉన్న ప్రైస్ కన్నా కొంచెం ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయండి. ఇవన్నీ కూడా హోల్సేల్ ప్రైసెస్. షాప్ అడ్రస్, ఫోన్ నెంబర్, గూగుల్ మ్యాప్ లింక్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బాక్స్లో ఇస్తానండి. ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి.
Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Asim, today of Milan High Fashion. From Milan High Fashion, I will show you the all varieties of Dashera which arrived today. Okay, and daily you will get a new range, new variety. Every item I will cover, from low rate, medium rate, fancy, heavy. Every item I will show you. Okay, and first I will show you to explain my address. So we are located in proper main Hyderabad, Old City, High Court Road, which is a famous road only. We are on main road, High Court Road only, and over here landmark is there, Shadab Hotel, Madina Hotel. When you come over here, Shadab Hotel, there is a petrol pump, and opposite of the petrol pump, when you will see there is a big red color board, Milan High Fashion written. That is the only our building, and you have to come over here only. So starting, I will start the all new varieties. Check it out and have a glance. And I request you to see please full video so that you can get an idea of the range, and many of them are new business, starting new business also, so I request them also to watch till end, and I will give you some points also about that. Minimum price, first I will show you from 100 to 200. For example, I am saying this item is for 120, and other than this are higher, line by line I am showing you all items. Step by step I am showing from higher. Pure cotton with a big full sleeve. I am showing you a little fast because I don't want to make video much longer. This one is a pure cotton. Every time you will get a different print and different design over here. This is all our production item, iconic. You can see over this. Mostly I am showing our production item only, and these are one of the highest selling items. Pure heavy rayon fabric. Every item you will get 4 different colors. If this is XL, you will get 4 different colors in this, and 4 sizes will be but same. So pure cotton border print item. This item arrived today only. This all also iconic brand only. Almost all manufacturing item only I am showing you. Pure cotton, ikat print, and the sleeves will be folded. This is usually huge sale item, and for college girls, official wear, this is used most. This also big flare, rayon two-tone, heavy rayon, not local quality, and every item you will get a standard size. This is also iconic item only. This one also one of the highest selling item, heavy rayon two-tone. Now this range which I am showing from 200 to 300. In this video I will not say the prices of any item, because many of them are our customers, already know us, and your customer is too also watching this video, so I don't want your customer and you to get any problem in future. because many times customers see that and say this one is that price, this one is that price. So I'm not saying the prices of any item. Just I'm giving you a hint to get an idea. This heavy rayon Dobby fabric. Fancy sleeves. This one denim style fabric. In this you will get XL, double XL both. And this one is in reasonable below 300 price only. This one is also one of the highest selling item. We repeat it usually more. This one is one of my favorite and regular repeated item. This you will get only special in yellow only. So you can in special color chart you can take this 2 piece also in this item. And every item you will get almost 4 piece set only. Few item you will get 2, 3, 4. Almost item you will get 4 piece only. This one is pure heavy cotton with a Banaras border and mirror on it. Simple, decent, classic look. This one is rayon jacket. This every time you will get a different print over here. And I would like to say to customers that the range you are seeing this arrived today, so this is available. Okay. After a long time you come and say that you want this only, that is not possible, because you will get daily new variety, and this is a concept, and in this concept, in this related, you will get much items. This one is on rayon two-tone with a beautiful handwork on it, elephant handwork. Sometime you will get elephant, sometime you will get bird, sometime you will get buggy also in this. So every time we change the handwork in this. Similar to this one item is there. This one is rayon fluff. This one is double XL size. This one was on rayon two-tone. This one mirror also around here. Now this I am showing you from 300 to 400 range. I will show you. Heavy rayon with a border item and mirror work on it. Simple, sober, classy look. Sometimes you will get XL also and double XL also available in this right now. This one is one of the highest selling item of ours. These are own production, only iconic. You will get 4 colors and 2 sizes in this, XL and double XL both available. This is a bird in between. This one is on a heavy cotton with a Banaras border and with a belt. This quality is also superb, as you see in a stores, retail counters, as you see that's quality only in this. In this related, this is the second model. In this you will get much designs also in this related. This one is also pure cotton and work mirror on it. This is double style piece with attached skirt style. This one is pure on Kora silk, and Kora silk sale is much more on Dasera. As you know, this special only golden color, mustard yellow color, and in this you will get XL and double XL, and in this related you will get much patterns also. This one is also one of the most beautiful item with a Banaras border. This one is on rayon two-tone with a beautiful handwork on it. This is long one-piece style item. This one is combo set. In this you will get a same color, but sizes will be different. M, L, XL, double XL. 4 size, 4 piece you will get, but the color will be same. This is a called combo set. More items in combo set I will show you. This one is jacket item. Attached jacket. Now I'm going from this range is from 400 to 600, 650 range I'm showing you. This is with dupatta. Top. Handwork on it. Dupatta. This one also long one piece type. This all are combo set. ML, XL, double XL, every item you will get. 4 piece, but colors will be same. This usually we maintain in party season time only. This all are 400, 500, 600 each. The class outstanding item. This one is also very beautiful. One second. Special black charges all items. This is also one of my favorite items and one of the best selling items which I am showing you. You can see the floor full around.
2 meters रहता था ना?
More than 2 meters, more than 2 meters flare in this. There is a jacket also in this. And this one all are branded items. So this is a glance of a frock style item. Now I will show you straight. This I am showing for you only and for idea. So this is a top. Example, this top is for double XL size. In this you will get 4 different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to buy 4 because I am showing you at last because many of them are new. For an idea I am showing you. For an example, like this you will get 4 different colors compulsory, and this is called one set, and you have to buy this compulsory 4 piece, and when you visit shop you have to buy minimum 7 to 8 set like this. From 120 to 600, 700 we have range. Whichever price you want to buy, you can buy, but minimum you have to buy for this for first time. Another thing I will say you how to contact us. First I will say you that we are closed on Sunday. Okay, compulsory we are sold only in Dussehra. From 1st October to 25 October we will be open 100%. Okay, after that every Sunday we are closed. So I request customers to please, many of them come on Sunday, I request them to please, we are off on Sunday. And this I am saying your phone number. This is only for calling. If you have any doubt, any emergency, you have to for clarification, then only you call us, because we don't receive much calls, because some customer call us 4 o'clock morning, some call us 7 o'clock morning, some call us night 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. So it's not possible for us to also receive the call, and then customer comment that why don't you respond. But we don't respond because we are, when you out times you call, it's not possible for us to respond also. And for retail you have to visit our store compulsory. We have different section, you will get all this type of variety, more variety also available, but you have to visit store. And for wholesale I am giving you 2 WhatsApp number, but this updating on WhatsApp will be done after Dussehra. On Dussehra we can't reply everyone on WhatsApp. So request all customers to please visit store if you want in Dussehra. After Dussehra you are seeing or watching, you can WhatsApp on this number. Only WhatsApp. We will update you on WhatsApp after Dussehra. But in Dussehra compulsory you have to visit store, because their walking customer is also there. Then online customer, it's not possible for us to handle both everywhere. Only WhatsApp. Sunday we are closed again, and timing are for calling and for WhatsApping 11:30 AM to 8:30 PM.
Wholesale, no call.
Only wholesale, no calling on this number, please request. And this also, please call us between 11:30 AM to 8:30 PM. Please don't call us at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock night, 7 o'clock. Okay, because we keep the cell phone at office only, then we dispatch. And in case any problem or anything, please if you are new customer or you are running a boutique or online you are selling anything, please visit store. We would like to help you and inshallah when you see the variety compulsory you will increase your sale, because South, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala and Andhra, Telangana almost taste we cover, and we are alhamdulillah very good in this taste. So I would like you to please visit for store to check the variety. And if you after that also if you say WhatsApp, we can do WhatsApp limited only 150, 200, 200 patterns only, but when you visit the store you will get many much range. Okay.